It's a very old recipe, around 200 years. Here in France, they are clarifying the wine with egg white, and because they had a lot of leftovers egg yolk, they were taken to the monastery, giving to the nuns.
The yolks.
Yes, the yolks.
So they were getting all these yolks, and they were like, what am I doing with all these yolks? Yeah.
I'm getting a cooking lesson with Chef Sébastien Stan to see how cannelés are made. And the recipe is simple.
Here we have milk, sugar, and butter. We will going to add a little bit of vanilla. And of course, we bring this to a boil.
I'll smell test it for you.
You need to pass it through a strainer, yeah.
Egg yolk, eggs, and flour. I can smell that milk and butter, yeah.
Yes, we can feel everything, also the vanilla.
It smells good.
It smells very good.
When do we add the rum?
Now. So now we will add the... Oh, it tastes very nice. So good rum. But now, the most important thing with this dough is has to stay over the night in the fridge.
Okay.
We fill the trays, pop them in the oven, and voila.
Just gonna do this.
Like I said, it's going to be moist inside and crispy outside. So
That looks
please
really good.
give a taste. The crispiness, no? I can hear it.
That is so good. The crispy on the outside and it's so moist. That is amazing, honestly. That's a very good cannelé. Who doesn't love a pastry with ice cream?
It's true, everybody can.